Solar North has an incredible interior and exterior design.
a five-star hotel?
A five-star hotel is characterized by exceptional service and luxurious amenities. And the staff are highly trained, like they can anticipate your needs before you even voice them. Then this hotel is designed to create an atmosphere of unparalleled comfort. What is special about luxury hotel?
As you can see in the first clips of this video, we highlighted the exterior and interior design of this luxury hotel. One thing special in this luxury hotel is their architectural design. They have very expensive architectural design in their interior design. They have very accommodating vibe from lobby to the rooms. And another thing that is special in this luxury hotel is they have professional and well-trained staffs.
What can you expect from a luxury hotel?
You can expect a seamless and unforgettable experience. This includes personal service, like the staff will remember your name and even your preference, high quality amenities, exceptional comfort, and attention to detail, like everything will be planned and executed. And last is memorable experiences.
What is like to visit a luxury five-star hotel?
From arrival to departure, think very well. Everything is constructed to ensure memorable visit for the guest. And they serve more than accommodation. This hotel is resort into sophistication and elegance. Begins you one step inside. There is a grand foyer. Luggage will normally have attendants to assist when alighting. And there often also awaits a warm welcoming ceremony. The lobbies themselves are works for genius art design, containing features and art in design, like marble floors and more delicate chandeliers while arrangements.
I have.
Describe your feelings upon entering the five-star hotel and how it helped develop your professionalism.
When I already to inside of Solar, I feel kind of nervous. What if they don't allow to use enter, but then we to go the entrance? I feel that I'm ignorant and I'm asked to unprofessionals. Thank you.
Ethics on how you act, react, interact, and respond to that particular environment you were in.
The Solar Hotel environment provides a unique opportunity to observe and practice ethics conduct. So first is action. Action with integrity and discretion, respecting the privacy and needs of guests. And next is interaction. Responding to situation and professionalism and compose even under pressure. And next is interaction, engagement with the guests and colleges with countries, and respecting, creating a positive and welcoming atmosphere. And last, response, providing timely and helpful responses to guest demonstration and commitment to extended expectation.